way back. 2008 Honda Accord. Cadillac converter. This bad boy. So it cleans your exhaust gases, so you won't pollute the air. Whatever extra exhaust gases that's not being burned, it goes to the Cadillac converter, basically like a filter. So when it comes out the rear end back there, you have clean smoke, clean smog, and you won't pollute beautiful green we live in, you know? So that's very important. You let your Cadillac converters clog up to the point where they're horrible. Explosions. Your car, you will damage your engine. So please, if your car is not running right, make sure you have a tune-up. You replace the spark plugs, they're underneath here. The air filter, oil, everything. Always unplug your battery. Always. So you remove the ground out, then you can remove the positive. You get this cat out, and I went, ow! That's hot. It's not that difficult. It's just sometimes these 12s, they strip. A lot of times I just that last one, I just cut this whole shield. This shield is no good no more anyway, it's all rusty. See this? It rust out, that's all. Honestly, I like to do this while the engine is a little warm. I know it sucks, but it's a little better because everything's still hot. Be careful, it's hot. Ow! That's hot. So when you remove, at least loosen the bolts, so when the engine does cool down, you won't struggle, because once it cools down, everything tightens back up. When it's hot, it easily comes right off. As you notice, like it took me no effort to remove these, and if you try to do it cold, a lot of times these break. So we got 4 more. 4 12s in the back here. So we gotta do this. So we're here now. There's nothing left there. I'm gonna have to break these. So, we did the bottom. When you come to the bottom, there's these 2 bolts here. Flex pipe, notorious, every car did a flex pipe break. They built it so, if you notice along here, there's hangers all along the exhaust. So when you get movement, because you do get movement out of the engine, you got motor mounts and everything, but the flex pipe is there so when the engine does moves and shifts, you'll get the flexibility here so you don't constantly break the exhaust. Back up top. So you guys, there's not really much to it to this exhaust system. It's just time consuming. Careful, that's why I'll be afraid of these bolts, because they're so fragile. They break, you know. That's why I try to be as smooth as possible with it. That snap and crackle pop, that's what I kind of want. So, broke it free. I use the short socket because I was able to put more force with a shorter socket. Now I use the long one and just do my final taking it off.
What was that, 14?
12.
12?
Yeah, that's these bolts are so thin, small. You know, you gotta be careful. Like if you start feeling like making like weird noise, want to stop and bring it back in. Go back and forth gently.
Come film this food that we about to eat. The catering truck is here. What's going on, baby? Authentic, the one and only. All I do is cook. This is his kitchen. Voila!
Yeah. Look in there. See that beautiful, nice honeycomb in there? You get a nice little angle. See a honeycomb. Now, you look at this one. Look how that looks. It's broken. See that? So now, as easy as it came out, it goes back in. You pull the old gaskets out. You always put new gaskets. Always take it out. Put a new one. This is for the lower. It's for the lower. I wait till I'm done. And then this is for the head, the manifold. Brand new. A new gasket. Sorry. Always start it by hand. That's it. And Izzy need to eat.
We got meatballs, sausages, spaghettis, with some garlic bread. Ooh. Lunch for the boys for Father's Day.
We back. Had to take a lunch break. Had to eat. Fill up the belly. I was hungry. I just put the sensor in right here. Simple. Screw it on. There you go. It's done. All right. Ta-da! So this bad boy goes here. You put the little donut. This is what I call it. The little donut. Line it up. Make sure it's nice and lined up. Now my struggles is putting these bolts in. Well, so guess what happened? They're not in there. They got me. So.
Oh, the unicorn.
You kind of got to feel. You can't even see. It's a little tricky. They didn't give me the bolts, so I had to search for them. But it's about to be all set. Look at that nice beauty. And there she blows. One more thing though, I gotta plug in the sensor. It's all right, now I gotta go back in here. So basically just plug your stuff back in. Click, click, click. That's it, clickbait. Support bar back on. Get your 12s. Just 3 12s. Do it on both sides. There's 3 here, 3 there. So you all set.